Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, oh right, just a very brief unboxing, as you can tell in the thumbnail, and a shaverage too. Oh, here we go. I'm opening it already. Shaverage too. That's called Active pH. It's neutrally balanced water, and I've put a splash of concentrated blackcurrant juice in it, fortified with vitamin C. So here you go. There you go. Oh, that's nice. Keep hydrated. Just a very small milk haul today, but I've seen everybody doing the unboxings and I thought I want to do one. So here I am, weapon of choice today. Look, the GB Gerber. That was gifted to me by Gerber for acting as a consultant on the last series of Bear Grylls. I can't keep a straight face in the wilderness. No, I didn't. I bought it online, guys, for this very purpose. Look, here we go. Woo-woo! PAA, look at that. Take me to your lather. Thanks for your support. I was reading that backwards and I nearly said thanks for your tripos. What's it? Support. There you go. So we'll get in there. Here we go. Get that. I know some people like to. Can't get it. Oh, there you go. We'll put that down there. We'll open this. There you go. There you go. It's not a big one, guys. Oh, look, here we go. Get that around there. It's on there. Let's get that out of the way. No postcard in it about the chill mill. I stick those on the side of the fridge. So thank you, Doug and Fran. Sometimes I stick them on my mirror in my bedroom. They're dotted all around my mirror, so that'll probably be going on the side of the fridge. We've got hundreds of little tiny magnets about the size of, when the US, maybe $1, and they're magnetic and they're used for just sticking stuff all over the fridge. Okay, here we go. Look at this. We'll get this one. I'll open this. What are we going to? What do we? I like those bags. I keep those bags, and when I send people stuff, I put them in the bags. Here we go. Check this out, guys. PAA Rabid Banana. Now I've only bought the splash. Why have I only bought the splash? Well, I'll tell you. I only bought the splash. Let's just lock that focus. There you go. I only bought the splash because, maybe even a year ago now, I bought this. And it was part of a large order. I'd always planned on buying the splash. And every time I went to get the splash, it was sold out or it wasn't in stock. I always had trouble getting, so I've kept hold of this. And now I've got the splash, and there you go. We've got a full set. What does it smell like? Well, it's got the thing on the... There you go. We'll take that off. See the reducer? I don't like them. I much preferred it just with the hole in the glass at the top. But yeah, that smells absolutely wonderful. We have a candy. We call them sweets over here. And it's little yellow chewy bananas. They're almost like an extra firm marshmallow type of thing. And they're shaped like a banana and they taste like a banana. And that's exactly what that and the soap smells like. Absolutely wonderful. But there's something else in here as well, guys. Check this out. Didn't know I could do that, did you? Look. Here we go. Fresco soap. Now, another tale to tell. Let me just put this box. I'll put it down there for now. Another tale to tell. I did some trading with Stuart George. And as is always, whenever I trade with Stuart, he's very, very generous, and I always come away with it feeling like I've got the better end of the deal because he is a very generous person. So thank you, Stuart. And what I did, I traded Stuart. I traded some stuff, and as part of the trade, I got this. So I bought that, and then you go full set. But check this out, guys, what Stuart gifted to me. When we swapped, he posted his off and I posted mine off. And when my box came back, look what was in it. A full bottle of the EDP. Absolutely wonderful. So thank you, Stuart. I'm looking forward to using that. So I've got 2 new full sets of PAA now. August, I'm doing shave sticks on the Saturday, and I'm trying to do UK soap artisans on the Wednesday. So it's going to be a month. I'm bursting to use this Fresco now. Just on that note, I don't know if I've told you, but look at this, guys. Look, it even looks nice, doesn't it? It smells. It smells fantastic. So I love Doug and Fran. If you watch this, Doug and Fran, and you're thinking of adopting a fat guy from North England, just let me know. But there you go. So it's going to be a while before I use them, but I wanted to do this brief unboxing because everybody else was doing one. And I wanted to do one. So no, look after yourselves. It's Tuesday morning now. It isn't actually. It's Saturday afternoon. But when you see this, it'll be Tuesday morning. So I've just given the game away now. But hey ho, it's all about honesty and integrity on this channel. I'll see you on the Wednesday shave, guys. Look after yourselves. Have a good week. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.